Hello everyone, a very good evening and welcome back to my YouTube channel, The Powerhouse Ideas. In this video, we'll be discussing about that what Nifty 50 can do tomorrow, that is 24th of January 2023. If you are new on the channel, you should understand that in our daily videos on Nifty analysis, we do a complete price action study of the chart and try to analyze that how market may react tomorrow, that is the coming trading session, and what can be the probable opportunities for making out profit from the money market. In the past history, like if we say in the month of January itself, we have right now seen only 2 to 3 losses till now in options, and rest all the analysis have been pinpoint correct and we have made a good amount of money. I think most of the subscribers will agree to this. Second important thing before starting this analysis, I request all of you who are dedicated or regular viewers of my channel, I request all of you to kindly comment in the comment section that what you like the most about the channel, so that we can increase that thing, so that the area of your interest can also increase and you can get more value on it. Also let me know in the comments that what you want me to add into the videos so that you understand the videos more better. I want to make it 2023 as the best learning year for all of you. That's why I've been making regular videos on daily basis to make you explain the price action. Now let us quickly see that what we discussed on Friday for today, that is Monday. I said you very clearly that if market goes above 18,105 and you must be astonished to see I exactly said this figure. You have to see the previous video to believe me. If market goes above 18,105, then only we will be looking for a call today, else we won't be looking for a call. Market exactly opened at the high of the channel. This is the channel I have drawn in the previous video. You can pause this video, see the previous video that I have drawn this channel exactly, and market opened exactly at that channel. Point number one. Second, I discussed with you in the last video itself that the mid of the channel works as a support, or you can say a major level. I showed you this way in the previous video as well. You can see that that same area worked as a support today. So two things which I told you, exactly the same level, market closed exactly pinpoint over there, 0.05. You can give me the advantage of, you can say, error, but I recommended this level, that this is an important level for market. Second, I told you the importance of this mid of the channel. Market took exactly support over there. Third, day before yesterday, means a video before the yesterday's video, I told you the importance of this low of the doji form or the inside bar. Market exactly formed a low at that level. Exactly a low at that level. You can see I'm keeping a cursor over that candle. The low was 18,063 and over here the lows was 18,063.75. It's a difference of only paisas, not even rupees. So this was also a level which I told you is very important, and market exactly bounced from here. Market opened gap up. I told you a scenario in gap up. If the market moves above 105, we will be looking for a call trade only, right? So market opened gapped up exactly at the channel high, took a support at the mid of the channel, the low which I shared with you, and crossed above 18,105 over here. And it gave a good movement, and this level was also highlighted, has been highlighted to you many times in my previous video, that this is an important price action level. This is an important price action level. I have drawn this key level for you on the charts many times. Market took a rejection from that area. Many people booked profits, but some also booked small losses because the entry was 18,105. The only loss which they incurred today was due to decay. The market never went below our, you can say, stop loss, or you can say our entry level, right? So this was the perfect analysis which we had today. We did it on Friday and it worked perfectly in the market. I don't know how, but market respects everything we analyze. And it's not that there's some holy grail or no, I know some secret. No, I just study what the chart is telling us. I just try to follow that. I don't make predictions. I just follow what the chart is saying. If the chart is saying it's a buy, it's a buy. If the chart is saying it's a sell, it's a sell. discipline and emotionless. Being emotionless is the very most important thing a trader should have in himself. You should not think that the people are saying that the budget is coming or something like that and the market might rise. No, it's not a right that budget is coming, the market will rally. No, that's not a scenario. But the chart will say so that the market is going to rally. If the chart is saying, you should also say that yes, I am on the call side, and vice versa. Now let us discuss that what can be the probable scenario tomorrow. Today the market respected our analysis somewhat, it respected it totally, but now discuss what can be the probable scenario tomorrow. For that I have just hidden my drawings. I want to show you something very interesting. I've taken you to the daily chart. This was the mother candle which I showed you. This was the baby candle which I showed you. Below this low, I said that there can be a put. Market gave a good profit over here below this low. It triggered somewhat late during the day, but it gave a good entry after a lot of patience. Then you can see today market has again formed a doji. But there is one thing good. We cannot say it's completely positive, but yes, it is. On the last trading day, market created a new low and a new lower high. As compared to the previous doji candle, you can see that the high of the previous doji candle was somewhere around 18,155. The next day market created a lower high of 18,145. But today the market has created a new high, that is a higher high if we compare the daily candle to daily candle, and also a new higher low. So this is one thing positive, but we should not be super positive seeing this. But yes, this is one such interpretation. Now also let me tell you one very much interesting thing. All these four candles over here are saying you something. If we club all these four candles, what is the pattern being formed? You take the opening price of the first candle and the closing price of the last candle. This is the body of the candle. If we club all the four candles, just pause the video, try to understand the concept that why I am saying this. You take the low of the first candle and the closing price of the last candle. This will be a body of the candle if we combine all these four candles. The high of this structure will be the high of this candle. This is the wick over here. And the low of this structure will be the low of this candle. This is a structure like here. Means if we club all these four candles, we see a big doji. So this is another way of seeing this candles. This range over here is somewhat a doji candle in formation in 4 days. Right? So market is still in indecision phase. But yes, the low over here, the high over here and low over here will be decisive for the next move. Right? Now, let us quickly move to the hourly time frame and see what market can do tomorrow. Right? Over here, I want to show you something very interesting. In the previous video, I have drawn the levels. Let me get the levels back so that you understand it better. And also let me delete some of the areas. We'll be deleting this channel pattern. I don't need it now. Okay. We'll be deleting this area, and this area. Let us make the chart a bit clean, right? So in the previous video, I told you that this level over here, I told you that if market has to go up, market will not break this level, right? Same concept I told you, if the market has to go up, this level can be respected. This is a very important level for the market. I also showed you with the help of a trend line. Market closed over here and today open gapped up. So this level has been respected today by the market, which created a gap up situation today. This is point number 1 in hourly. Second, you can see that the market was creating somewhat pattern like this. Till now, the market once broke its previous low, but we can say that it's a kind of a freak breakdown. Now, in this structure, it was a double top kind of pattern being formed. Market created a new high than the previous high of the double top. You can say the second top of the high of the top, market created a new high. So there is some positivity in today closing, though we have closed in an indecision state. If you go to the daily chart I just show you, but yes, the opening and the closing has been positive, and the same derivation we got from the daily chart as well, right? Now let us quickly move and analyze what exactly market can do tomorrow and what will be our trading setup for tomorrow. Listen, One thing very important, never ever go against the trend. I always say you that never ever go against the trend. Let us draw some structures over here and see what exactly market is doing. Market exactly over here is forming, let us draw it at a bigger time frame. Yeah, like this. Give me a minute. Somewhat like this. Right. So market is forming a structure like this, which we can clearly see. And over here, it's a close range. The previous time when the market came over here, it fall down exactly. Then it came over here, it fall down very quickly. Then again it fall down. But this time the market is trying to stay near to its resistance. And it is said when a price is not falling from a particular resistance means the supply pressure is not that much, or the bulls are totally in control, which are not letting the market fall. The selling pressure which is coming from this area, the bulls are continuously absorbing that. So this is a positive thing, that the market is like trying to hold the lows and not falling from that level. Once the bear tries, but it went to an area of value and we saw a gap up today. Now what can be the probable scenario tomorrow? What can be the probable scenario tomorrow? Let me explain it very simply. Very simply. It's a simple analysis. You will understand with logics. You can see that this level over here has been respected so many times. This was a low today also and low of that baby candle also. This was this today high. Now if market opens flat, we are already into a big triangle. We don't know whether the market will react this way, go up or go down, right? So what is the setup? At which level should be the flip level for a call or a put? If market opens flat, and starting doing like this, or you can say range contraction is happening, as soon as market crosses the high of this structure, the high is, let me tell you the level also. Some people complained that I don't tell the high. So the high is 18,136. As soon as market closes above 18,136, and also this trend line is very important. If the market goes up directly from here, okay, and closing above trend line, then also we can take. If the market stays sideways for a moment and then closes above this trend line plus 18,136, then we are looking for a call trade. Now if market start moving down, so we know one thing very important, that this low over here is very important because it has been respected thrice. This level is already marked 18,060. So if market opens flat and goes below this trend line and this area, then we will be looking for a put. It's an unsaid rule that the risk to reward ratio should always be better. So it will always be better if the market goes down, consolidate and then breaks down, because it will create a base, a area to keep a stop loss. Because if you will be taking a put directly at the breakdown, you won't be having a sufficient level to stop the losses if they occur, or to stop the price hitting your stop loss. So if the price start moving down just like this and does not consolidate, then a stop loss can be above this level, but that will be a very bigger stop loss. But this is one of the safer, so it will be very much good if the market start moving down, consolidates over here and then breakdowns. So this is a decisive level on the downside. Now what if market opens gap up above this level? If market opens anywhere between this, that is today's high and the high which I just told you over here, 18,136, we will directly not sit into a call. We will not directly sit into a call. We will wait for the market to at least come as closer as to this level, this high over here. If the market opens somewhere over here between this area and comes down and then creates some kind of bullish patterns, a double bottom or some kind of consolidation and a breakout, then we will be looking for a call, because the stop loss can be placed appropriately. Over here, the stop loss again gets very big, somewhere below this zone or below this zone. So that will be a very bigger stop loss. So it's always best to let the trade come to your key levels and then trigger it. Our bias is clear. If market opens gap up somewhere over in this range, then and comes down and then creates a bullish pattern, we are going for a call. Very simple. Over here, we are not going for a put. That's very much clear, because we have understood that what market is doing on daily, on hourly. Now, if market opens gap down, anywhere in this area, our trading setup will be same as we discussed in flat. If market opens gap down below this zone, then again, just imagine market closed over here, market directly opened somewhere over here. Where will you place the stop loss? The correct place to place a stop loss is this area. So let the market create some price action so that you get an area to put a stop loss. Risk to reward is the best thing a trader has to maintain, and is the best thing which the trader has to respect. So if the market opens gap down below this decisive zone, which I have discussed, let market create some price actions or create some kind of top above which you can keep a stop loss and then go for a put. So this is all which I have for tomorrow, and by this creation of this base, or you can say top, you will also be confirmed that market has created a top and there are less chances of going up. There can be also a chance that market opens directly over here and you take a put and market straight away moves up. So to avoid this also, you can wait for the market to form a price action. So this is all from my side for tomorrow. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe the channel, and don't forget to share it with friends. I'll see you guys in the next video. Till the time, take care. Bye bye.